Welcome to Popular History, where we unwrap the past and serve it fresh. Today, we're diving into the world of Victorian baking, a tale of tireless hands and incredible ingenuity. Victorian bakers began their days long before sunrise, kneading the foundations of what would become an indispensable part of everyone's daily life: bread. In an era where supermarkets were non existent and everything was made from scratch, bakers played a vital role in society. Imagine the bustling kitchens, filled with the aroma of fresh dough and a cacophony of clashing pans and sizzling ovens. These spaces were hives of constant activity, requiring relentless physical labor. Victorian bakers had to be masters of their craft, for baking back then was an art and a science conducted without the convenience of precise ovens or modern preservatives. A single error in judgment could lead to a wasted batch, and with resources often scarce, the pressure was immense. The bakers had to be acutely aware of the temperature and texture, making adjustments for the weather, the varying qualities of flour, and the unpredictability of natural yeast. The results of their efforts were not merely loaves of bread or sweet confections, but a lifeline for a rapidly expanding population. Victorian baking was integral to the social fabric, providing sustenance for both the wealthy gentry and the poorest workhouses. One could even argue that these bakers were unsung heroes of the Industrial Revolution, fueling the workforce that propelled the era's great advancements. Yet it wasn't all about survival. Victorian baking was also a form of expression, with elaborate pastries and cakes gracing the tables during celebrations. The ornate designs showcase the baker's skills and their ability to transform basic ingredients into works of edible art. So the next time you bite into a fresh piece of artisanal bread or enjoy a well-crafted pastry, pause a moment to appreciate the rich history kneaded into every bite. A history shaped by the hard-working Victorian bakers whose legacy has left an indelible mark on our culinary world. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey through time on Popular History. If you enjoyed this look into the challenging lives of Victorian bakers, please like this video, share it with fellow history enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more historical treats. Until next time, stay curious, stay hungry for knowledge.